Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage SaaS subscription businesses, beginner guide step by step clearly. To manage a SaaS subscription business effectively, start by defining your target audience. Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. Research competitors to identify market gaps and opportunities. Next, choose a pricing strategy that aligns with your target market. Consider subscription tiers to provide options for different customer segments. Implement a user-friendly onboarding process for new customers. Make sure your users can easily understand the software. Provide comprehensive tutorials and customer support resources. Establish a billing system to manage subscriptions, renewals, and cancellations. Use automated tools for invoicing and payment processing. Monitor key performance indicators to track business health. Focus on metrics like monthly recurring revenue and customer lifetime value. Pay attention to churn rate to understand customer retention. Create a feedback loop with customers to gather insights and suggestions. Regularly update your software based on user feedback and market trends. Implement a marketing strategy to attract and retain customers. Utilize content marketing, social media, and email campaigns for engagement. Build a strong community around your brand to foster loyalty. Leverage partnerships and collaborations to expand your reach. Always keep an eye on industry changes and technological advancements. Stay adaptable and willing to refine your strategies as necessary. Lastly, ensure compliance with legal regulations pertaining to data privacy and subscription services. Continuously educate yourself and your team on best practices in SaaS management. This approach will position your SaaS subscription business for long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.